Good morning, everyone. You all won't be able to unmute yourself. Only when I ask you to unmute, you will be able to unmute yourself. Fine. So, as I told you yesterday, we will be starting with web authoring, paper 3. But before starting with the practical portion, we will be discussing the theory part because the questions can be asked from the theory part as well. Fine. So, it is important that let me remove. So it is important to understand the theoretical concept, because if you know about the coding and all, then only you would be able to write the code and identify the errors. Before continuing with today's class, one instruction: the students who are joining on regular basis to the class, I'm very well aware about them, and the one who all are coming just for like we can say that they're just coming inside the class, observing the things and then leaving the class, I will not allow them to enter the class next time. After 2 months, 3 months, you're coming to the class, and then after that for the month you will not be available there. Teachers calls you, send message, you don't reply for that, it will not be accepted. Fine. If you have to be in the class, you need to be regular. Irregular students will not be allowed. It is for everyone. Fine. Okay, so a few questions I will ask you today before we start with web authoring, because you all have appeared for the examination, and after appearing in the examination, at least a little bit idea you all will have that what different topics or what different content is in the in the web authoring unit. Fine. So few question I ask you, and then I will ask to unmute you, and the student who will be asked to unmute, that student will unmute, and then he or she will answer the question. Fine. So the first question, which is very simple. 1 minute. Okay, the first question, which is very simple, that is, what are tags? So Jasmine one will unmute herself. Are you able to unmute, Jasmine? Mehtab, check your connection, beta. I'm able to see your video. Varda has raised her hand, but my question is from Jasmine. Jasmine, why your video is off, beta? Don't run when a teacher asks you the question. It is very simple question. I've started with a very simple question. Might be possible there is some network error. Okay, Varda, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tags are the ones which are used in web page to use for specific function. For example, table tag is used to create table. Without table tag, we cannot add those table rows and table data. And ma'am, tags can be of two types, paired and unpaired.
Okay. So if we have to specify a tag, there is a specific symbol which we need to use for the tag.
Yes, ma'am, we have to use the angular brackets.
We use the angular left and right angular bracket we use.
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine, please, the last warning, please, whatever the reason, please unmute, yes, sorry, please switch on your video. And if you are not able to switch on your video, I need to remove you. Okay, now next we have, okay, Mehtab has also scored very good marks in this examination. Mehtab, how much marks you scored? Okay, so without attending much classes, um, he is able to score 61 marks. Have you done your paper yourself or have you taken help from someone? You can unmute yourself, Mehtab. I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. No, that, why are you not unmuting yourself? Writing in the chat box again and again. Okay. So my next question is this, that do all HTML tags have an end tag? Do we have all HTML tag and end tag? It is mandatory to have an end tag. Okay, Navjot has answered. See, if you are not answering the easiest question, then you are going to be in trouble, because as the we will go with the questions, the difficulty level of the question will increase. Hanji Navjot, answer beta.
Ma'am, not all the tags have the end tags.
Yes.
Like the pre-client tag is not paired tag.
Yes, as Vardha has already told, that Vardha has already told that we have paired tag and unpaired tag. So if we are saying paired and unpaired, paired tag is the one where we have the opening as well as closing tag, and the non-paired tag where we don't have any closing tag. We have only opening tag, like IMG tag is there. I hope you are aware about the IMG tag. How many of you are aware about the IMG tag? So IMG tag is used to insert the image. We image tag. Okay, Isha, IMG. It will be not IMAGE. Always, whenever you will be asked, always try to write in the same way you are going to use it in the code. Fine. IMG is the tag. So that is image tag, which is a non-pair tag without a closing tag. Fine. Okay. The next question is here, which how many of you are having your phones with you? And don't lie. I need your phones. That's what I'm asking. Okay, Jasmine is having, both the Jasmine is having their phone. I think both are using like they are using phone to attend the class. Mehtab is having phone. What about Vardha is also having. Isha, Prablin and Abjo, do you have your phone with you? Okay, fine. So you have two options. One question I give you, and you have to write the code for that. Either you can write it in the chat box, even everyone. If you're like, if you're saying that your video is getting off um, when you try to write in the chat box, you can send a WhatsApp through the WhatsApp also. But I suggest to write in the chat box. But if you're not able to write in the chat box, write on a paper, click a photograph, and then send it over there. Fine. So the next question is very simple question. A little bit we are moving ahead. That how to create a hyperlink in HTML. Simple question. That how to create hyperlink in HTML, because hyperlink topic is very important for the practical and the theoretical part, both the way. I'm waiting for your answer. Dilpreet, why are you so late today, beta?
मैम वक्त था मैम थोड़ा सा
Sorry.
मैम काम था
Okay. I need charger for my laptop. I'm coming in a minute. You simply write till the time you write your code, which I told you to write. Fine. Mehtab, switch on your video. It's a very simple code. Okay, Vardha has sent. Yes, Vardha, the tag which we have used, attribute which we have written, that is absolutely correct. But I suggest to write the code also with any of the example. With any of the example, you can write the code. Dilpreet has sent. Okay, Dilpreet is this is correct. Dilpreet, whatever code you have written to specify the anchor tag. Yes, Jasmine 1, are you writing, beta? Do you know how to write? Okay. Navjot, there is a mistake. Please check. Isha, write completely. You are simply writing in chunks. It will not a clear view. Write complete answer. Still now, Dilpreet has given correct answer only. Prablin. Okay, Prablin, correct. But I hope you know that where to write the hypertext. Who all have joined recently, they requested to turn their video on. Even when you join, your video must be on. Now, once I remove, I'm going to lock the meeting. If you will be out from the class, you won't be able to join it. Yes. No need to say sorry, Isha. Just write the answers. I want answers. Okay, this is being written by Isha, has written correctly. Isha, there is a very small mistake, even two mistakes. So I'm going to write in the chat box so you all will be able to see what mistake you all have made. So suppose here I'm using the same code which Dilpreet has used. Another question I'm going to ask. Tell me one thing. Is it mandatory to write the uh, tag in capital letter or in small letter? Isha, still there is a mistake. You can write your answer in the chat box, okay? Yes, no. So we can write in the capital letter also, small letter also. It will not make any change, any effect on the output, but it is suggested to write the HTML tags in small letters. Okay, so let me check from the phone if anybody else has sent their answer. Jasmine has sent the answer. Jasmine, it is correct, but there is a small mistake. So I'm going to share this. Very good. Jasmine too has written the complete code. But Jasmine, the main thing is missing in this. Where is anchor tag? Anchor tag is missing, with which we were discussing. So you can see the code. I think you all have received the code which I shared with you. No one? Okay, let me check. Hanji, have everyone received now? Check your mistake. Jasmine 1, Jasmine 2, beta, your videos are off. So you can see some students have made the mistake that once while you opening the anchor tag, you have not closed the anchor tag. Some of you have not put the quotes, which is not mandatory. But when you're writing the code, if you will put quotes, there will be very low chances of any of the errors. Sometimes quotes are being mandatory in some of the cases. Then you're using the slash. The backward slash will be used, and some of you are using it at the after the a tag, like after writing it, then you're putting the slash. Fine. Okay, so I hope you all are aware now what about your mistake. Okay, now I'm coming to the next question. Okay, does a hyperlink only apply to text? You will write your answer in the chat box. Okay, fine. Everyone has answered no. So a hyperlink is not always text. It can be something else also. So fine. Now I ask to Mehtab. Yes, Mehtab, unmute yourself. You're supposed to unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute? I have given you permission to unmute yourself. Not able to unmute? I don't know why are you facing problem. Let me give this permission. Okay, what is the question? Question is this, that right now we said hyperlink is not necessarily to apply to the text. So what are the different objects we can apply the hyperlink? Hanji, Mehtab, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
No, by mistake I gave you permission. See, immediately he has Dilpreet was able to speak. Deliberately, I think you're not unmuting yourself. Okay, Dilpreet, you can tell what are the different objects on which we can apply the hyperlink.
Pictures and videos also, ma'am.
Sorry,
Ma'am, pictures and videos also.
pictures also, video also. Even we can apply it on the table also. If you use it between the table tag, and then it can be applied on the table also. Table content also. So basically, whenever you will write the code, you will be applying it on the images or the text. Okay, I come to the next question. Okay, very simple question. Can you create a multicolor text on a web page? You can write your answer in the chat box. Can you type or can you insert a multicolor text on a web page? And you have to tell the example also. How will you give a multicolor text on the web page? With the help of example. When in practical portion, you will be asked to give the example. Example means you have to write the code, especially for the web authoring. Today we will simply do very basic things so that it will give a recap of the topic, so that when you start solving the past paper, it won't be a problem for you. Jasmine, beta, why your video is off? See, it is very embarrassing that again and again your teacher need to ask you to switch on your video. Whatever the reason, you're not supposed to switch off your video. Vardha, your video is also off, beta. You can write in the chat box. You can write in the on the paper and send it through WhatsApp if you find it difficult to write in the chat box. Vardha, I have seen your answer for anchor tag, which I told to write. I hope you have found your mistake. Unmute yourself and tell me. You're not able to unmute? Okay, again and again I'm allowing Dilpreet to unmute themselves. Okay, Vardha has raised her hand. Hanji, Vardha. Your voice is not audible, beta. Vardha, your voice is not audible. Not audible, बच्चे. I think there is some problem with your microphone. Yes, by using CSS, Isha, you have written the code, but there is a small mistake. Okay, Dilpreet has told that using CSS we can do this. So Dilpreet, can you write a small code also, that if you have to give color to the text, multicolor text, you have to do insert. How will you do that in CSS? Because yes, Isha has written for the HTML. Isha, it is correct, but there is a mistake, small mistake. Try to find your mistake till the time I share answer with you. You can use pen and paper if you don't find it comfortable to write in the chat box. So I'm waiting. Yes, Isha, now it is correct. You got your answer. But if you will write this code, uh, now if you write a single line of text in this, then it will apply the color, single color to this text. Now, for multicolor, what will you do? I'm going to unmute you. You can simply speak and then answer. Hanji, unmute yourself.
Can you speak again question?
You have used the phone tag to apply a
Can you
color to the text, but the code you have written, it will only allow you to apply a color to the text which will be in between the phone tag, opening and closing phone tag. So if you have to enter different color of the text, what will you do, or what you need to do? So there are 10 different lines, and for all 10 different lines you have to use different color of the text. So what will you do? Very simple answer. Think little. You need to use phone tag. The different colors. Suppose if I say that 10 different lines are there. Hanji, bolo.
we will use means मतलब कि हम यही कोड मतलब सभी लाइन पे यूज करेंगे, ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल यही करना पड़ेगा. If you are using HTML code, that is phone tag, then you have to use it for 10 times to apply different color to the text. Dilpit has raised his hand. Hanji Dilpit, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, is there any like ma'am color like rainbow text or
Sorry.
मैम क्योंकि मैम अगर मैम कोई मैम लाइक कलर है मैम लाइक रेनबो का मैम लोगो तो मैम उसमें 7 कलर्स मैम हो जाएंगे मैम मल्टी कलर और
हाँ, वो that is depending upon the hexadecimal color code which you will use. But generally, if you have to apply the color to the text, you will not be always asked to apply the color to the different color to different 10 lines. But yes, it can be in the groups. So if you will be, suppose you have been asked to 3 different paragraphs are there, you know. So if 3 different paragraphs are there, then if you remember about the ID attribute, अगर याद होगा आईडी एट्रीब्यूट के बारे में हमने करा था, you will use the id attribute, and then for with the help of id attribute you would be applied to different color to the different paragraph. ठीक है, in css we can do it. Css will be more suitable as compared to the html code if we have to apply formatting to the different content over there rather than using phone tag number of times. Chalo, now this coding part we will also discuss. Okay, there is another question. How many tags can be used to separate a section of text? We have a large text. Which different tags are there which can be used to divide your text in different sections? You can write your answer in the chat box. Navjot has answered. This is one tag. What will be the another tag? Okay, that is also right. Everyone is correct. So div tag can also be used, not line, but it is break line, that is BR tag. BR tag, paragraph tag, div tag, that can be used for the same purpose. Yes, P tag is also correct. Okay. Next question I have, how do I can change the size of an image? Whether using HTML or whether using CSS, how do we be able to change the size of the image, size of an image? Jasmine and Varda, videos क्यों off हो गई बेटा? Setting the font size. नहीं Jasmine बेटा, font size नहीं है. दिलप्रीत, image एक unpaired tag है. Whereas you have closed the image tag, it will not show you any error. But as per the structure of the IMG tag, you do not need to close it. So let me check with others' answer also. Okay, Dilpreet has only. Yes, Prablin has given the correct answer. Navjot has written it with the CSS. That is good. Navjot, is it mandatory to put a double quotes when you're giving the value to the attributes? Isha, question is, how can we set the height? How can we set the size of an image? Which attributes can be used to set the size of an image? In style attribute, otherwise not. Okay, correct. So the attribute which will be used, that will be height and width attribute, which will be used to set the height and width of the image. So height and width will be in the CSS also, height and width will be in HTML also. In both the cases, the attribute will be height and width. Okay, next, another question which is related to CSS, that if you have to apply background color to heading, suppose there is a text which I'm taking as a heading. If you have to apply background color to the heading, you have to write the CSS code for this. Write the CSS code. If you have to apply heading to the, you have to apply background color to the heading. You have to write the CSS code for this, not the HTML code. Remember, you have to write the CSS code. Yes. No answer yet I have received from anyone. Jasmine, beta again video off. Okay, Navjot has written, 1 minute. Navjot has practiced a lot for the inline CSS. चलो अब next question इसी से related पूछेंगे. Background color. Navjot, don't you think that there should be space in the form of some punctuation mark between the two words which are used to apply the background color? Probably you are correct, whatever you have written, but as it has been told to apply to the heading, so instead of using the body tag, the tag we should be used here, heading tag, any of the heading tag. Okay, Isha, you have also written correctly, but again, you might all have seen it from the book. I hope I'm wrong. But if you have seen it from the book, then you forgot to mention it the heading tag. It should not be body tag. It should be heading tag H1 to H6. Any of, because I have not specified which heading size you need to give. Heading tag you have to give. Hanji, Navjot, have you got that? What is the mistake, or is it entirely correct? Space background. Attribute I tell a background attribute is background color, and now background color you have used. And for the background color, it is there should be space or some punctuation mark. Navjot, answer please. Vardha has sent. Style, background color. नहीं बता, एट्रीब्यूट जो आपने यूज किए हैं वो ठीक है, बट द वे ऑफ राइटिंग द कोड इज नॉट करेक्ट. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just wait for a minute. So first of all, if you are using the external style sheet, then how it will be written? It will be I'm showing for the semicolon. Isha, you have used semicolon will not be used. It will be colon sign instead of semicolon. Okay, so this, the one which I'm sharing, that is for the one way of writing the heading in heading background color. Now another way, which is you will only identify which one is inline and which one is okay. So let me just complete this background color. Hanji. Now, what is the difference between these two codes which are mentioned here? I hope you all received the answer. Hanji, Dilpit. Dilpit has raised his hand.
लाइक जो मैम फर्स्ट वाला है वो तो मैम CSS के साथ मैम यूज किया गया है, और जो मैम सेकंड वाला है ये वाला मैम HTML के बीच में मैम यूज किया गया है.
Yes, absolutely right. We have two type of style sheet. This is also important. The question can be asked in theoretical part. How many types of style sheets are there? One is external and another is internal style sheet. The one which is used with the heading tag with angular brackets, which Navjot has actually sent. That is inline. This is also known as inline style sheet or internal style sheet as well. But when you are specifying, when you're creating a separate style sheet, which is linked with the help of a different code, that is known as an external style sheet. Now let's relate this with external and internal. If we have started this, now write the code. If you have created a CSS file, for example abc.css, external CSS file you have created. Now if you have to write this if you have to link your CSS file with your HTML file, where will you write? I'm not asking the code. The question is, where will I write this line of code? Means under which tag I will write this code. You can write in the chat box. If you want to answer, you can request, or you can simply raise your hand to answer. Under which tag we will write this line of code to link our CSS file with HTML. देखो अब ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं ना, these can be asked in the identifying errors. हाँ जी. Under which tag we will write this? Any guesses? Any idea? Now Dilpreet has answered. Dilpreet is correct. Probably no, it is wrong. let me check with everyone should answer. If it is wrong, no problem. No one is able to see your answer. मुझे ही पता चलेगा, जो भी पता चलेगा, आप एक दूसरे को नहीं पता चलेगा, सो लिख सकते हो आराम से. हाँ जी वर्धा, यू ऑल्सो राइट. वर्धा, आपको अपनी मिस्टेक पता चल गई बेटा? लास्ट में जो हमने हेडिंग के लिए बैकग्राउंड कलर जो हमने देना था, उसकी मिस्टेक पता चल गई आपको? आपने कोड सेंड किया था मुझे. ईशा करो सेंड बेटा, लिखो. गलत ही लिख दो, कोई बात नहीं, लिखो तो सही. वर्धा, नवजोत की वीडियो ऑफ हो गई. वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा. नहीं वर्धा नहीं. नवजोत आपने नहीं सेंड करा बेटा. चलो, दिलप्रीत ने टाइम अपना यूटिलाइज किया एंड दिलप्रीत हैज सेंट द कंप्लीट कोड एज वेल. वेरी गुड दिलप्रीत. हाँ जी नवजोत, यू हैव आल्सो नॉट आंसर्ड. I think his network issue. I think his video is unstable. Anji, have you written in the chat box? I was not able to see. No, I have not received your answer. Okay, some have given answer head and some have given link or hyperlink. So correct answer is head tag. Now there are two different questions. I asked under which tag or where will you write the code for linking your external sheet. Another question which you might have answered by assuming the question that which tag will be used to link your style sheet. So Dilpreet has reduced my work. So I'm just going to copy the code which he has shared. Right? Let me check if any error is there. Okay. So now answer of both the questions. It will be written inside the head tag and the tag which will be used, that will be link tag. I hope this is clear to everyone. So fine, I will not continue further. Few of the tags we have discussed. Now tomorrow what we will do, tomorrow I will discuss with you about hyperlink tag only. Fine. With HTML, using HTML, because in HTML you will be asked to create the hyperlink that can be internal hyperlink or external hyperlink. So hyperlink topic we will revise tomorrow with the help of coding, and definitely I'm going to do it in the notepad because I want you to understand the code as well, so that you could prepare yourself for the theory part also and practical part also. Fine. So if any question, Vardha, can you meet me in the same link, on the same link after this class? Or should I check your answer sheet once again and then we back to you? You tell me. I'm just unmuting you. हाँ जी, बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. For which question? First one or second one?
Ma'am, first one.
Okay, fine. So try to just do a recap of the topic from the book. ठीक है, इसमें हम ज्यादातर HTML के थ्रू ही पढ़ेंगे, CSS के साथ लिंक करेंगे. सिर्फ वी हैव टू अप्लाई द कलर एंड ऑल विद द हेल्प ऑफ CSS. उसमें उतना ज्यादा नहीं होगा हाइपरलिंक के थ्रू. ठीक है, चलो, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू एंड द क्लास. इफ एनीबडी वांट टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क. If any question, or if everything is okay, you can show a thumbs up, virtual or physical thumbs up. Okay, no question. Okay, fine. So I'm going to end the class and now we will meet tomorrow. Fine. Bye beta. God bless you everyone.